In 2022, I joined a coaching program called WAIM, and in this video, I wanted to share my story of how I went from having a business where it was basically failing and not doing very well, and I was completely burnt out, to now having a business that is happy and thriving and is making me a full-time income in a way that is calm rather than stressful and leading me to burnout. So in 2022, I rebuilt my business after just letting things tick along for years. I left years where I was just simply doing a few little things here and there, making a little bit of content, but not doing any client work, not really putting in huge amounts of work or anything, just sort of ticking things along so my business didn't just completely fall off the planet. But I wasn't really all in on it. A big pivotal moment in 2022 was when I joined WAIM, which is a coaching program which I'm going to tell you a bit more about as well. In this video, I wanted to share my story, how I went from a failing, burnt out business to a happy, thriving, calm business. So I first started my business in 2007. Of course, back then I was young and single, and I was just able to put a lot of time and effort into my business and to build it up. Now at the end of 2013, I had my first son, and so while I didn't have as much time, I still found ways to keep things ticking along here and there, doing work while he was napping and doing some work at night. And so even though things went down a bit because I had a bit less time, I was still sort of ticking things along. But then in 2016, things really fell apart. This was when I had my second son, and so I had a baby and a toddler, and things just fell apart. That year, I could barely even touch my computer. I struggled to even get on the computer because trying to balance a baby and a toddler and trying to actually even touch a computer was very challenging. Now, I tried other things, tried to do business stuff that wasn't computer related, but really it just fell apart. I struggled and just felt like I just couldn't do anything and things weren't working anymore. For so long, my business had relied on time, me being able to do several hours of work a day, 8 or more hours of work a day in order to maintain it. And now that I didn't have that time, things just collapsed. But I'm not one to easily give up. So in 2017 and 2018, I started working on how I could revive my business and how I could make it work for me. Basically, I was determined to fix things, but I'd realized that while I was in this little baby bubble since 2013, I'd sort of gotten behind on what was actually going on in the online business world. And there were all these terms and things that I just hadn't even heard of because that business world had really grown a lot in that time, and there was a lot that I hadn't realized. I didn't know what an email opt-in was. I didn't know what a funnel was. I'd never heard of that sort of thing. And there was all these little things that I just hadn't heard of before. And a lot of my content was very personal focused. I wasn't really narrowing and niching down to a particular subject, really thinking about that SEO or anything like that. And so I realized that the online business world had shifted, a lot had changed, and I had not kept up. I also didn't have any kind of digital products or anything that was sort of passive income in any way. Everything that I'd been doing up to that point was client work. I did have a small Etsy shop with a few digital products, but it was only very tiny, where things were like $4 or $5 each, and it didn't really sell that much, so it wasn't really a big part of my business. Most of my income was client work, which of course took time. So I realized I needed to learn so much, catch myself up to what was going on, and really rebuild things, restructure what I was actually putting out there so that I didn't have to rely so much just on client work. Now, the trouble with this determination to fix things was that I quickly led myself to burnout. See, what happened was that I was trying to fit things in any space of time I could. I was staying up late and sacrificing my sleep and my health in order to try and learn as much as I could, try and fix things, try and build things back up. And it just ruined me. I still wasn't making much money, and I was completely burnt out, right to the point that I was having dizzy spells, had to see a doctor, and realized this just wasn't working. Basically, it got to a point where I had no choice but to take some time off. I realized what I was doing wasn't healthy and it wasn't working. And so while I had spent a lot of time learning things and I felt like I had a better idea of what I needed to do, trying to have time to execute that just wasn't working because I needed some time to repair and to focus on my health again, on things like my family and other things other than just my business. And so I had to pull things back really significantly. Basically, I stopped all client work and I just did little things here and there just to keep my business alive, basically. But it barely was making any money, and it was basically just trying to make sure that I didn't just fall off the face of the internet, but basically was just making sure that my business still existed, even though it wasn't really doing very much. So then we fast forward to 2022, and this is where I started to feel like I could come back into things again. Life was feeling more steady, the kids were a bit older and a bit more independent, we had more of a routine, and I started to feel like, yes, I think I can start to do more work again. I can start to pick things up again. I feel like I'm in a better place, I'm feeling healthier, I'm feeling like I have the more time that I need, and so I was ready to sort of step back into things again. Of course, I didn't want to make the same mistakes though, so I really wanted to focus heavily on trying to create digital products and build up a digital product shop, and also work on my courses. So all those things were going to be more the focus of my business, with just the odd client job. So I took some time at the beginning of that year just setting things up. So starting to get a shop set up, just a few products in there, and then setting up the systems that I needed in order to take on client work again. So I took a little bit of time to set things up and just started building it each month, adding more and more products, doing more marketing, and just doing what I could manage as well. Being aware of not overdoing it, not staying up too late to try and push it, trying to better build things in a more manageable way. So as my business began to grow again that year and I saw things rising each month, I knew that I was now in a position to get support again, to make sure that I was surrounding myself with other people and with coaches that were going to help me continue to grow this business in a way that is calm and is not going to lead me to burnout. Basically, get that support to create a steady and calm business that was going to be enjoyable and the kind of thing that I really wanted to build. And this is where WAIM comes in. So I joined the WAIM coaching program by Caroline and Jason Zook, and they are also the founders of Teachery, which is a course platform. And I had already been using this course platform, and the idea that as part of this coaching package, I'd also get lifetime access to Teachery was just this really awesome bonus that I was excited about too. So I thought, wow, I'm going to get the support I need, and I'm also going to get the platform I need to be able to host all these courses that I'm working on creating. Now, Jason and Caroline Zook have been in the business world a long time and have tried their hands at different things, so I knew that they had plenty of experience and knew what they were doing and would be teaching from experience, not just regurgitating things they'd heard other people say, which some coaches do. These people have genuine experience and can teach from that experience, and so I knew that they were going to really help me in making sure that I was doing things the right way in my business. I also loved their approach to business. They're not all about the hustle culture, trying to become a millionaire and growing a huge team and all those things. They're more about having a balanced, calm business and about doing things your way. Really think about your own goals, what you actually want, rather than what people are saying you ought to have or you ought to want in your business, but really thinking what's important to you and building the business that suits your life and suits your goals and what you actually want. All about the fact that there isn't just one way to do things, but about working out what suits you personally, because they understand everyone has different situations. You may have children, you may have disabilities, there may be different things going on in your life, and so everyone has different things that they're working with and also different goals, because some people want to have a team, some people want a bigger business, some people want to be able to travel, some people just simply want enough to be able to support their family. So they are aware of that, and they're not trying to push you to, oh, you've got to keep growing, you've got to get bigger and bigger. It's more about, no, think about what it is that you want, what your situation is, and build a business that is going to make you happy and is going to work for you. So their balanced approach to business and their experience was exactly what I needed. I wanted to make sure that I was continuing to grow my business in the right way, in a calm and steady way, not in a stressful way where I felt like I had to chase the latest trends and the hot thing to do right now. Rather, think about those important foundational things that build a strong business and slowly and calmly build a steady and profitable business. Plus, I love the fact that their coaching is lifetime, which means once you paid it off, you still continue to have access, and anything new they have, you get access to as well. It's not something where you feel like you're constantly paying out for years on end, or you get to a point where you just don't want to pay anymore and so you get kicked out. You can always stay in there, you pay it, and then you just keep getting whatever they're offering. And to me, that just takes so much stress away, because you're not worrying about having to constantly keep up with paying. You know that you're constantly going to have support no matter what your situation is. And to me, that's something that's very valuable too. Knowing that I've seen in my life times where there's been ups and downs, things that have happened personally in my life where I just can't do as much work. And knowing that I'm always going to have that support from them is just so valuable. And it's steady too, because you know you've always got those same coaches. You're not coach hopping, trying to find someone that you could afford right now or anything crazy like that. You know, yes, I've got these people to turn to. They're going to help me keep focused on what I'm trying to achieve here, what I'm trying to build. I'm not going to get carried away by all these different fancy things. I'm just going to build a really strong, steady business. And it also means in the community, everyone else is in that situation too, where they're getting to stay there. And so you're not got a community where people keep dropping out and disappearing all the time. And so you can actually create better connections in that way, and that you see the same people all the time, and you can get to know their businesses more, and they can get to know you better. And so it creates more of a stronger community, which I really love as well. And of course, the cherry on top is that you also get lifetime access to Teachery. And that is really awesome too, because I'm able to put my courses on Teachery and know that I don't ever have to worry about if I can't afford it, that I'd have to kick all my students out because I've got to close it down or anything like that. I've got a platform that I can always have and rely on to build my courses and other things too. I can also use it for digital products and freebies and other things. And you can also check out the video where I share more on how I use Teachery too. And it has just been so valuable to be able to have access to that. So now you might be wondering, how did being in WAIM actually impact my business? I saw an impact from being in WAIM quite quickly in my business, and the main area that really helped me quite quickly was actually the community. Being able to be around like-minded people in a really stable community, in that, as I said before, people aren't just dropping out all the time, has been so valuable. I was able to quickly make some really good connections, and I was able to find all these opportunities and different things through the community. I was able to join summits and bundles and become affiliates for people, and all these opportunities would come up because I'd be able to connect with people. They'd have things that they were doing and they'd invite people to them. And so it felt like quickly things were opening up in my business, in that I was presented with all these great opportunities. And I was also learning about different tools people were sharing, which was really helpful. And so I quickly found I was benefiting a lot from that community. And just being able to be inspired by other people too, seeing how other people use Teachery or checking out other people's businesses, having that inspiration too really helped too. So seeing how other people use Teachery even got me inspired for different things I could be doing on there. So really, to me, one of the initial things that quickly made an impact was the community. And then last year, they also created an accountability group within the community. And this accountability group wasn't your average accountability group, because another thing about their coaching is it's about being unboring. It's all about having some fun, because we're not just corporate boring businesses, we're fun creative businesses. So we want to make things fun and playful. And so one of the ways they did that was the accountability group, where they called it WAIM of Stones, where each month you could collect a stone and there was like a board game you go around, and it was really fun and interactive. And basically there'd be check-ins each week. Basically, what's your goal this month? Then what you're working on towards that each week. This ended up being so helpful to me because I had been dreaming of creating a big signature course for years. I'm pretty sure I had the idea back in 2016, 2017, just wrote down some rough ideas of what it should include, things like that. But it was something that I kept putting off because it felt like such a huge, big project. And so it sort of felt a bit overwhelming. Where do I even start? How do I even know what to do with this? Because there's just so much to do to create something that big. But having that accountability group actually meant that I actually made it happen. I got it done, because each month I was able to break things down, each week really break down what tasks do I need to do next to make this happen. And because it was fun and exciting too, I wanted to show up. I couldn't wait to say, yes, this is what I'm doing this week, and being able to earn that stone. And even though it might sound a little bit silly and gimmicky, things like this can get you really motivated and help you stay on track because it's making it more fun. And so I was able to achieve a goal that I'd had for years, finally make it happen thanks to this accountability group. Now, the other way I've benefited, of course, is from all the courses and resources and coaching calls that are inside of WAIM. So it is absolutely full of so many resources to help you in different aspects of your business. But they've set it up in a way where it's not overwhelming, where you feel like, there's so much stuff here, I don't know where to start. How do I know what to even look at here? There's just so many things, and you end up doing nothing. Instead, they've got roadmaps. So they've actually got the Unboring Business Roadmap, which actually allows you to go through step by step from the foundations onward and really think, okay, have I already worked this out in my business? Yes. Okay, let's move on. Have I worked this out in my business? Yes. And then when you get to things, you're like, actually, no, I haven't taken the time to do that. Or I've done that, but I think it needs some work. I don't think I've quite got this up to scratch. And so you can step by step go through and go, okay, I need to work on this. Okay, what resources have they got for that? And they've got it all linked there. So you can go and work on those things. And so you're step by step focusing on the next thing that you need to get right in your business, rather than feeling this overwhelm of what should I be listening to? What should I watch? What should I go through? You can step by step take your time and go, okay, this is the next thing that I need to focus on and get right in my business before I move on to the next thing. And that has been really valuable, because in the past when I was trying to learn so much, it could get very overwhelming. I felt like I had notebook after notebook filled with different notes that I was taking, and half of them have been forgotten about because I was just constantly trying to consume to try and get my learning up to speed, try and figure out how to do all the things, rather than having that step-by-step focus of, okay, this is the next thing I need to work on before I move on to the next. And having that is really helpful, because then you're working on your business in a calm way. You're not like, there's so many things I need to work on, so much to think about. It's like, no, the next thing I need to think about is this. Okay, once we've got that right, then we can move on to the next thing. So that roadmap has been very helpful to go through their resources without feeling overwhelmed. We also have a very handy Calm Business Compendium, which is a Notion template where you're basically very similar to the roadmap, looking at each area of your business, breaking it down and filling in those different bits of information. And so it's also another great way to see what areas in your business you're unsure of, need some work on, and then keeping it all in one area. So when you've worked out who your target audience is, it's all in there. When you've worked out your goals with revenue, it's all in there. And so having it all in one place is very helpful too, because you haven't got all these notebooks scattered everywhere with all these different ideas and thoughts on your business. Everything is kept together. And they also have other Notion templates which will help you manage your business too. So there's a lot of things to help you keep you organized and keep you calm, so you're not feeling overwhelmed when working on your business. So where is my business now? Now I have a really happy, steady, healthy business where I'm not spending hours and hours and stressing myself out and getting burnt out all the time. I'm able to just work around my life. If I need days off, if I've got things going on, I don't feel stressed about that. I'm able to fit it all in and make it all work and still make good money. So I'm still able to make that full-time income without those full-time hours. And I feel so much more at peace in my business. It doesn't feel so stressful and overwhelming, like there's so much to do. I feel so much calmer and I'm enjoying it so much more. I also feel like I've got so much more opportunity to be creative and have fun opportunities. Now, I might not be a millionaire or have employees, but that was never the goal. And so I really think that I built the kind of business that I want and that I enjoy and works for my life. So if that's the kind of business that you dream of too, then you might be interested in finding more about WAIM as well. So WAIM opens up later this month, and if you check out the link in the description below, I've got an affiliate link of mine where I go through more detail about WAIM, and you can also then from there head to their sales page and learn even more when it opens up. So if this has caught your attention and you'd love to learn more, make sure you go and check out that link to find out more about it, and happy creating.